Let's talk about water, specifically, the huge difference between just using it and truly impacting it.
Sounds obvious, but it's a super important idea that most of us just don't think about.
So we'll start with what everyone's familiar with, water consumption. It's usually the first step. Basically, it's a volume-based number. It just tells you how much water you used.
But just counting the gallons? That's barely scratching the surface. We need to talk water footprint.
See, the footprint considers the wider impact. It's about quality, pollution, and local stress. So, consumption tells you the amount. The footprint, that tells you the real significance. All right, let's make this crystal clear. Imagine we have two different factories.
On paper, they look the same. They both use exactly 1 million gallons of water.
But here's the context for Factory A. It's in a region with plenty of water, and it returns that water clean.
Now, Factory B, it's in a drought area and puts a ton of pressure on a stressed system. So you see, same exact consumption, but a completely different footprint. Huge difference. One asks, how much? While the other asks, what's the real significance? It's about risk and responsibility.
So why does this matter so much, especially for a business? Well, this is where it gets strategic.
It's about moving from just data to actual strategy. You measure usage, then assess the impact. So yeah, tracking your water use is important, but it's just not enough to be truly responsible. Because when we're talking sustainability, the volume alone just doesn't tell the whole story. So you have to ask yourself, what story is your water telling? Are you seeing the whole picture?